If your lawn looks dead right now, watch this. I'll show you exactly what to do in the next 30 days to fix it. I'm Paul Sykes. I have 35 years experience cutting grass. From backyard lawns to Champions League stadiums, over 15 different countries. Here's the truth. Grass is grass. Whether it's your home lawn or a professional pitch, it responds to the same simple practices. I've been spoilt recently working in Africa and the south of France, where grass grows year round. But recently, working in Paris, freezing my cobbles off, I got thinking, and I realised most people think winter means stop. That's the biggest mistake in beginner lawn care. Why stop working on your lawn? Last week alone, I aerated, cylinder mowed twice, rotary mowed 4 times, applied fertilizer twice, all in winter. You can too. But you need to know these 3 things first. Temperature. Here's what most lawn care guides get wrong. It's rarely frozen solid. Look at this. 9 degrees C at night and 15 during the day. That's perfect growing conditions for cool season grasses like perennial ryegrass, which grows actively above 5 degrees C. Top tip, check day and nighttime temperatures, average them, and work on your grass when it's above 5 degrees C for cool season grasses and 15 degrees C for warm season grasses like Bermuda grass. Soil moisture. This finger test could save your lawn. Watch. See that? Shiny lines means it's too wet. You'll smear the soil and seal the surface. No shine means you're good to go. Shade. Winter sun sits low on the horizon. Think of each blade of grass like a solar panel. In winter, it's a good idea to raise your height of cut by just a few millimeters. Bigger solar panels means a little bit more photosynthesis. Top tip, adjust your mowing pattern to align with the direction of the sun's movement. Mow in the direction of the sun to maximize light hitting those leaf blades. Next are the practices that you can do in winter. But first, smash that like button and subscribe so I can keep making these tips videos. Cutting. If conditions are right, you absolutely should cut grass in winter. Rotary mowers maintain height and remove debris at the same time. Light and air movement gives you a healthy grass base where all the growth comes from. Top tip, always keep your mower blades sharp. Surface cleanliness, leaves, worm casts, dog mess, all reduce grass metabolism and invite disease. Rotary mowing, brushing with a broom, or a leaf blower will keep it clean. Aeration. When temperatures and soil conditions are optimal, a simple garden fork can stimulate growth. Grass roots breathe too. Compacted soil is like trying to breathe with a moss gun. Overseeding. Little and often during winter, some may get kicked out from dogs and children's use, but regular seeding through winter will give you a spring advantage. Pro tip, pre-germinating seed gives hidden winter growth benefits. Look out for a future video I'm going to make on this. Top dressing. You know your weak spots, low areas, places your dog likes to pee. A sprinkling of sand when conditions are good rewards you later and aids drainage. Winter fertilizer. You don't stop eating in winter and grass doesn't either, but it needs different food. In summer, you need high nitrogen to drive growth. In winter, you need high potassium for health. Too much nitrogen makes grass fat and disease prone. Switch to potassium-rich fertilizer in winter for root health without forcing growth. Know your limitations. Be a grass ninja. Listen to international groundsman Gary Robertson.
It's what you don't do rather than what you do. And when you get a little bit older and a little bit wiser, you do start to think, right, you know what, if we can just get a divot across it, that's a bonus. Let it find its way. And there's a team of about 20 and they've all got rotaries. And that's great. Do you know what? That's probably the best thing you can do maybe, because you've cleaned it up, you've put it to bed. Fantastic. I look at ours and I go, fucking hell. I'm a little bit anal at times and I change my mind very quickly, but I go with the flow a little bit. It's not happy. What do we do? I can go through 3 different plans in a minute and then the lads go, so what are we doing?
Winter is about doing little bits instead of nothing at all. These little ninja practices will reward you in spring, making you the envy of your neighbours. Quick recap, check your temperatures are optimal, test your soil moisture content, raise the cutting height for shade, mow when conditions allow, keep the surface clean, aerate, seed little and often, top dress weak spots, use potassium rich fertilizer and be a grass ninja. What's your biggest lawn problem right now? Drop it in the comments and I will answer. That's why I'm making the series Turn Your Ugly Lawn into Stadium Quality Grass, to go a little bit deeper on what you can do at home. Do you want to understand grass fundamentals? Click here.